Hey guys, welcome to one of the most interesting topic of data structure, that is linked list. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kajal Ohar and I am going to explain you the concept of linked list. Linked lists are often used because of their efficient insertion and deletion. They can be used to implement stack, queues and other abstract data types. Abstract data type is a data type where only behavior is defined but not implementations. So let's start with linked list. What exactly it is? A linked list is a linear data structure. A linear data structure has elements connected to each other so that elements are arranged in a sequential manner and each element is connected to the element in front of it and behind of it. But in memory location, elements are not stored in contiguous form. Each element in the list is spread across the memory and are linked by the pointer in the node. Basically, linked list is a collection of nodes. Node has two subparts, a data field that stores the element and the next part that is reference field that stores the address of the next node. So let's understand the concept of linked list with the help of example. What are the actual applications of linked list in real world? Now, due to COVID pandemic, all might have given exams online. If you carefully observe the exam, you must have seen two buttons at the bottom, that is previous and next. By pressing previous button, you can go backward, and by pressing next button, you can go forward, since they are linked as linked list. Same thing is with the music player. Songs in music player are linked to previous and next song. You can play songs either from starting or end of the list. So let's move on to the next slide. There are four types of linked list. First one is singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list, and fourth one is circular doubly linked list. Singly linked list is the basic type of linked list. We will see one by one. Singly linked list. A singly linked list is a unidirectional linked list. Unidirectional means which can be traversed in one direction only, that is from head node to tail node, from left to right. Here you can see that the last node, that is tail node, contains element and null reference, because tail node is a special node where the next pointer is always pointing or linking to a null reference. It indicates that it is the end of the list. Next one is doubly linked list. Doubly linked list is a bidirectional linked list. In bidirectional, you can traverse in both directions. If you want to traverse in backward direction or forward direction, in both way you can traverse. Here you can see one additional pointer before data field. This pointer is used to point to previous node, as in double linked list we can traverse in both directions, and another pointer next to data field next node. The previous part of the first node and the next part of the last node will always contain null indicating end in each direction. In a singly linked list, we could traverse in only in one direction, because each node contains address of the next node and it doesn't have any record of its previous node. However, doubly linked lists overcome these limitations of singly linked list. Due to the fact that each node of the list contains the address of its previous node, we can find all the details about the previous node as well by using the previous address stored inside the previous part of each node. Next one is circular linked list. Again, like a singly linked list, circular linked list is also a unidirectional, means which can traverse in one direction only, that is from head to tail. As this node doesn't store any previous node information, this node will be having only one data field and one reference field. But the main difference between singly linked list and circular linked list is the last node of the circular linked list points again to the head node, forming this cycle. But in singly linked list, last node contains null pointer, which indicates that this is the end of the list. As circular linked list points again to the head node, you should be very careful while traversing. When you revisit the head node, you can stop traversing. And one more thing about circular linked list is that it does not contain any null reference as continuous cycle is formed. Means there will be never end of circular linked list. And last one is circular doubly linked list. This is a combination of circular linked list and doubly linked list. As we have seen previously, the property of doubly linked list is that we can store previous node information and circular linked list points the last node to the head node. These both properties are contained in circular doubly linked list. This is also a bidirectional which can be traversed in both directions and does not contain any null pointer. Because this also forms a cycle, the linked list is used in complex data structure. Hope you guys have understood the concept of linked list. Thank you.